Seating area on the smaller side but cozy. Food is tasty though variety is not super big. Price is decent for cafe hopping. Easy redemption of voucher. Tasty food and nice ambience. Note you need to hit the full value of the voucher before service charge and SST. Overall, the portion is big and nice. There are several options for brunch. We can choose either two from the brunch menu if purchasing buy one free one brunch voucher. Worth to buy RM120 voucher as I have only 3 persons. They still provide us free churros and brownie. I highly recommend the desserts here, especially the tiramisu, not to be missed, a big portion for 2 persons for only RM25. Service is very good, definitely a nice cafe. Come before last order at 4:30 p.m. One of the best and long-standing cafes in Johor Bahru. The menu has been refreshed and more food items available now. Food are of good quality albeit a bit pricey compared to other cafes in the vicinity. The weekday afternoon vibes is perfect with cool music and relaxing atmosphere. The voucher redemption was good and as delivered. The cafe is aesthetic and the salmon I had was cooked well and still juicy and pairs well with the cream sauce. The churros is made fresh and was also really delicious. Good deal with Klook voucher cost of the free churros which is pretty good. Voucher redemption is also easy. Just have to note that you need to hit the required voucher amount before service charge and SST. Nice food, ESP the nasi lemak and tomato soup. The replacement, Lodgent Kitchen is a stylish and inviting cafe offering quality brunch dishes, great coffee, and delightful ambience, making it a go-to spot for savvy brunch goers. They served nice coffee and big breakfast. Tried their brunch and soup, good and filling food.